Why does Hiccup's daughter Zephyr dislike dragons? While Toothless's daughter Dart likes humans.
Do you want to be dessert for a dragon?
Methinks I don't.
Let's kill the dragons!
After Hiccup's children were born, they had never actually seen a dragon. And in the Book of Dragons, dragons are described as fierce and highly aggressive creatures. So for this new generation of children, dragons are naturally imagined in that frightening way. On top of that, their father lost his leg because of a dragon.
What happened to your leg?
No.
Because of this, it is understandable that Zephyr places herself on the opposite side of dragons. That is also why she encourages her younger brother to dislike dragons as well, and even sets up dragon traps. Now look at Dart. The first time Dart saw Hiccup, she noticed the drawing of Hiccup that Toothless had made. After her brothers messed up the drawing, Toothless even redrew it, making it look more affectionate and meaningful. Through that drawing, Dart could feel the deep bond and love between her father and Hiccup. Because of this, she naturally placed Hiccup on the side of friends. During the interactions between humans and dragons, Zephyr's change in attitude toward dragons closely mirrors Hiccup's own journey when he was young. Once she finally meets real dragons, she realizes that dragons are actually gentle and friendly creatures. She also sees Toothless save her father, which ultimately helps her overcome her fear and begin to love dragons. Similarly, Dart personally witnesses her father saving Hiccup, which strengthens her belief that Hiccup is an important friend to her father. Because of this, when Dart meets Hiccup face-to-face in How to Train Your Dragon, the Hidden World, she doesn't fear humans at all, and after Zephyr has already encountered Toothless, she understands the true nature of dragons. So naturally, she is no longer afraid of him either.